Hello guys! Welcome to Japes TV. Magta tayo. Ulong tea. What do you prefer? Coffee or tea? For me, nag-move na ako sa tea since last month. So far, so good. Anyway, I'm back to share once again something. Kasi may nakita kong post ng Philippine concerts. Since this is the end of 2025, usong-uso yung rap, diba? So sa Spotify, merong summary ng mga top 5 artists, top 5 songs, all of those na pinakinggan mo for this entire 2025. Going back sa post ni Philippine Concerts, ang tanong niya is, how many concerts and fan meets did you attend this year? Napaisip ako, so I think medyo madami-dami naman ang concerts na puntahan ko this year. So I looked back and list down all the concerts and fan meets that I've been to. Let's go through one by one. This year, all in all, I had 9 as far as I can remember. So the first concert that I've been through this year was Regine's Reset concert. That's I think February this year. That date was also the same date na supposed to be Estelle was invited to be the guest, pero nagkaroon ng conflict ng schedule, I think, or miscommunications. But yeah, pangarap ko kasing makita mag-perform silang dalawa since Ate Regine is always my all-time favorite artist. So, lumaki ako sa mga songs niya, kaya sobrang favorite ko talaga yung mga ballad songs. Ate Reg solo concert yun. Ang playlist niya for that night is grabe pa rin yung power. So, unfortunately, bawal yung mga fan cams. So, I didn't have much capture. Pero, sobrang sulit. Sobrang saya ko kasi ngayong I'm able to go to concerts na I can afford na. And I'm still able to watch her. Kasi nung prime niya, Ate Reg, nasa province pa ako and I'm not able to go to her concerts. I'm very grateful that I'm still able to see her now. She's still active. Next is yung Wish Date. From time to time, Wish is doing this Wish Date concert sa Araneta. I think this is my second or third Wish Date already. And this year cast si Kelvin Miranda and si Angel Guardian. So if you know them, si Kelvin is si Adamus sa Encantadia and si Angel Guardian is si Idea sa Encantadia. Also, they're both Sangres, new generation. Ganda rin ang concept ng Wish Date kasi may mga songs, merong live acting and meron ding recorded acting. And actually last year, si Stell was part of Wish Date din. So, nakanood din ako nun. Yung number 3 is yung Bench na fashion show. Concert ba siya? Big venue pa rin naman siya and may performances doon. So, SB19 was there, so I went. That was the very first live performance, I think, ng DAM. It's seldom for me to go to events or concerts na weekday. Pero that day, I made sure to come. Nandun din si Alden Richards. He's one of my favorite actors. And also Kelvin was there. One of my ultimate talaga na pangarap is magkaroon ng one single event na magkasama si Alden, si Regine, Ate Regine, and SB19 kasi sila yung mga ultimate favorites ko. Sa TM, si Alden and SB19 has already worked together. Si Ate Regine and SB19 during the Wyatt Homecoming, they had a collaboration performance. Pero yung lahat magkakasama. Siguro, wow, isa yun sa mga ultimate pangarap ko as a fanboy. Kasi sila talaga yung ultimates ko sa showbiz, sa music industry. The next na siguro is yung Simula at Wakas. Nakipagpuksaan ako para lang sa day 1 ng Simula at Wakas, and I'm so glad na nakakuha kami ng seat ng friend ko, si CK. Although hindi yung desired seat namin na supposed to be may VIP seated, pero it's fine na din. That's the best concert, recent concert that I've been to Class 2023. Dahil sa EA, pumunta ako sa PBB Arena or SB19. Pero, ayun, sabi ko nga, sobrang inconvenient niya puntahan. So, I told myself na I will never go back to Philippine Arena unless it is an SB19 concert. That time, parang hindi siya ganun ka-achievable na magkaroon ng concert ng SB19 doon. Solo concert at that. Parang yun na yung last kong punta doon. Pero come 2025, nagkaroon sila na simula to as concert. May 31, I went there again with my friend and nakapagpuksaan during the ticket selling. Ayun. And I was so glad that sobrang smooth ng lahat. May fan zone na air condition and transportation, wala masyadong, hindi ganun ka-traffic and all. So magaan siya than the previous experience that I had there, Philippine Arena. Siguro dahil na rin sa environment. 18 was all over. So sobrang, alam naman pag 18, sobrang accommodating ng lahat and everybody's happy. Lahat doon nandun lang para mag-enjoy and nakikipagkapwa tao kasi we know that we have a common ground which is we all love SB19. That's my fourth concert, and actually my fifth concert is also simula at wakas, and that's day 2. So sa day 2 naman, hindi na ako nakapagpuksahan sa ticket selling. I mean, hindi ako bumili at the first few hours kasi sabi ko give chance to others na hindi nakabili ng day 1 after 7 hours or so may available tickets pa. So that's when the time I purchased na my own. So second day ako na lang mag-isa, pero ang maganda naman doon, I was able to meet some other 18. Sa van pala nung nag-join ako papunta sa venue. Sobrang may band na yung may yung mga joiners sa van. Ang saya. Of course, yung day 2, ibang experience naman siya. Ibang seats na ako. I think upper box na ako nun. Upper box E. So medyo malapit na yun sa general admission. Maganda pa rin naman yung view ko kahit malayo. Pero syempre, iba kasi yung feels pag nandun kami sa kahit malayo. It's fine kahit hindi ko sila makita ng sobrang lapit. It's fine kasi yung overall feels ng concert ibang grabe. Maganda din yung view ng makikita mo yung dami ng tao talaga. During the day 2, mas relax na yung SB19. They were able to give their all out na without hindi na sila nag-reserve ng energy. Pag fan ka ng SB19, parang you should know that day 1 and day 2 that there's a difference din talaga. Hindi siya yung similar na 100% same performance. No, they always give something different in the second day. Kaya most of their fans are getting both days tickets. My sixth concert or fan meet is Zuni Zini, yung Astro, yung subunit or subunit subunit ni Jinjin and MJ. Always kong sinasabi na hindi talaga ako into K-pop, pero there's one K-pop group na sinusupport kasi ng friend ko. And eventually, syempre sinupport ko na din dahil favorite actor ko kasi one of my favorite Korean actors is si Chaolu. And his group is Astro. I'm so glad na nakapunta ako and na-experience ko sila live. It was a challenge actually kasi medyo malayo yung venue. Pero ang saya kasi kumbaga aside from Chaolu, Jinjin yung bias ko dun sa Astro. Hindi na sila kompleto dahil wala na nga si Moonbin and also si Rocky has already left the group. Pero yeah, I'm still hoping na soon they'll come back as a group. At 4 lang sila or sana 5 kasama si Rocky. They're still the only K-pop group that I stand. Although I like BTS, pero hindi ako kasi super sok sa kanila na. My 7th event is yung BGYO concert. I'm so happy na finally nagkaroon na rin ng malaki-laking concert ang BGYO sa New Frontier Theater. These boys talaga are super gifted when it comes to dancing. Sa P-pop, I think they're one of the reliable dancers talaga. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy, mag-flourish pa yung career nila. One revelation that night for me was si Akira. Ang ganda ng singing voice niya. And I just hope na sa mga future releases or song releases ng BGYO, ma-maximize nila yung voice ni Akira. Mga car songs nila, magaganda naman, pero I think kunting push pa kasi kayang-kaya naman talaga ng yung voice ni Akira. Pero, and JL, and also the rest of them, magagaling naman sila talaga. I hope to see them more next year and the following years. Go BGYO and go ACs. Next, anniversary concert / fashion show ng SB19 with Francis Libiran, The Fast Zone. I think last year, the anniversary was collaboration with Dunkin. Parang fan meet lang din siya and 2 days event din. And the previous year, yun yung One Zone. This year, yun, kakaiba ulit. Yun nga, fashion show and 360 sa Araneta. Although 1 day lang siya, pero 360 naman. Ngayon ko lang ulit sila nakita nag-perform na solo songs nila. And yeah, pwede silang mag-concert as solo artists na nagko-collab sila na 5. Yung ipo-perform na nila lahat is yung mga solo songs nila. Nahulaan ko yung ipo-perform ni Josh, which is 1999, and kay Stel na Room, and yung kay Pablo na Mitcha. Yung kay Ja naman, kasi yung favorite ko yung Surreal, pero yung kinata is Kaibigan, which is maganda yung atake niya this time. May drama effect pa yung kay Ja. And yung kay Ken, although yung favorite ko din is yung Fake Faces, pero syempre hindi na ako nagulat na yung pinili niya i-perform is yung Foes. So ibang atake din talaga. And actually parang nag-foreshadowing nga yung yung Fast Zone kasi 360 yung stage. And diba, last week lang yung AAA performance or Akon performance ng SB19 is also 360 degrees na stage. Swak na swak sa kanila yung event. Kasi parang tailored sa kanila. Meron na silang recent performance na 360 din yung atake. And lastly, the last concert I've been to is kaming mga pinalaki ng Sex Bomb, Get Out, the Sex Bomb concert. 5 of us friends. It's seldom na marami kaming magkakasama sa concert. Usually 2-3 lang. Pero this time, sa Mac na umuwi si Rai. Shoutout pala kay Rai. From UK. And lahat kami, parang halos generation namin yung Sex Bomb. Nakasagsagan yung Sex Bomb. Ayun, nilibre kami na rin ng Sex Bomb concert. Sobrang sulit ng concert. Sa totoo lang, grabe. Na-overwhelm ako sa haba. Kasi mga 3 hours. Little mahigit 3 hours. And grabe yung mga performances. Sobrang siksik. And sobrang dami din ng guests. I thought it was a Philippine Arena worthy concert. Medyo konting polish lang. I'm just so happy for the girls na they were able to get back together and perform once again in front of the people. After all these years, kahit mga mother na sila and nagsettle na. Pero they still maintain their friendship and they still have the talent to showcase. Kaya, ayan. Sila talaga yung original, one of the OG P-pop nung hindi pa thing and P-pop sa Philippines. Sila talaga yung nandun na. Those are the 9 concerts and fan meets that I've been through this year. I hope wala akong na-miss. I'm not sure if mas madami ako sa 2024, pero yeah, this is the first time I had a recap of my concerts or fan meets attended to this the entire year. Hopefully next year magkaroon pa ng more. Sana ma-provide si God ng marami pang fans para mapuntahan natin to. Pero yeah, Actually, nafa-fanboy ako ng responsibly naman. So, I have my work naman. Pero syempre, dahil breadwinner tayo, I don't get those VIP tickets. Ay, okay na ako sa medyo mid or kahit sa malayo. Huwag lang yung Gen Ed naman sikat. As long as makita ko yung mga performances ng what you call this, decent. I'm into that. So, yeah. So, hopefully, more concerts next year and more hip-hop. Kayo, ano yung mga concerts and fan meets na napunta nyo this year? Baka isa sa mga pinuntahan or more sa mga pinuntahan ko nandun din kayo. So, yeah, kindly comment down below and see you in the next videos. Bye!